This is Conrad. He works in an office and has a lot to do. Countless emails, phone calls, documents, and appointments are part of his everyday life. To prevent losing track, Conrad has devised a complex filing system over a period of time in order to stay organized. But only Conrad knows how the data is stored. When Conrad is not there, it is very difficult for his colleagues to find a specific piece of information. This takes a lot of time, money, and nerves. And even if you do find something, you can never be sure if it is up-to-date information. Consolidate has come up with a solution for this problem. Information is no longer organized based on any system, but rather stored in a large pool of information. To make information easily accessible to each eligible person, they are assigned to different criteria. What kind of information is it? For example, an inquiry or an order. Who is responsible for that? And by when should it be done? Or has the task already been completed? When did she arrive and when was she made? Who is it about? Whether customer, supplier, contact person? Why is this information accessible? For which project or for which flow of process? Lastly, the how. What tech was used? It can be, e.g., an email, fax, an office doc, or even a phone call. This standardized approach establishes a centralized information repository. Therefore, it is convenient for each employee to locate particular information even in the absence of comprehensive knowledge. Not just that, Consolidate also has many positive effects for Conrad. He can also quickly and easily retrieve documents from the information pool he needs for his tasks. He no longer has to wait for the colleague to come out of the meeting, and many previously tedious requests are eliminated. Through the unique responsibility at all times and transparent information, the quality in the entire company automatically increases. Benefit from Consolidate and transform the data chaos into valuable information for your success.